Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. First of all, you have to search for PLS Donate. As you can see, just tap on it and click on play button. Once the game is open guys, I'll show you how can you play this game on Roblox, and it can help you to earn free Robux for your account. So first of all guys, once you enter the game, first of all you have to look for any empty stand. You can see there are lots of empty stand, but look for a stand that is near to someone else account or someone else stand. So suppose so there are no rush in this account right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a stand or a claim stand next to this one, and just click on or hold on this stand button, and your game pass will be listed here. So basically game pass are basically donation buttons that you can use to get donation from your stand. So if you don't know how to create these donation button, I'll show you. But by guys, before that, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. Basically this game passes buttons will be as the donation buttons or items that can anyone purchase or purchase by your stand, and if someone purchase these donation buttons, you will get 70% out of the price. Fine. So this is how you can get donation. As you can see, I just raised 17 robux at the bottom. You can see that. So that's how you just need to interact with players in the game and ask them to donate on your stand, and once you convince them, and if they purchase your one of the donation buttons, so you will get 70% out of the price of the game pass or other donation buttons. So I'll show you how can you add these donation buttons. First of all, come out of the game, and now you just need to open roblox.com. In the roblox.com guys, if you want to create your game pass, just tap on this create button or create tab. Now once you're here guys, you just need to tap on your experience, by default experience, which will be named by your username. Now you just need to tap on this menu button here and scroll down to the bottom and just tap on this passes. In the passes, if you want to create your donation buttons, basically these are the passes will be act as a donation button in the please donate. You just need to tap on this create a pass button, and you just need to scroll down, and you will see here, enter the name here, just fill this form, enter the name like S1, and in the description you can type anything you want, and just tap on this create pass. If you want to upload image, you can also do that. Just tap on this change button. So basically the by default image will be used if you don't upload the image. If you want to change it, just tap on the change button and upload your image. Once you're done with this form, just tap on this create pass button, just tap on it. So your game pass will be created guys. Now you just need to set it up for the sale. So it is not done yet. Just tap on it and tap on menu. Can you see this menu button before desktop? So just tap on this sale and tap on this item for sale toggle button. Enter the cost here like 100 robux. Price must be reasonable so anyone can purchase your donation button. So try to keep low as possible, and just tap on save changes. Once you save your configuration, now you just need to go back to your game, tap on play, and now you just need to look for any empty stand and claim your stand, and your game pass will be listed as a donation button in the game. As you can see, there are a lot of people here, so just try to make or claim a stand that next to them. Just hold this stand button, and your game pass will be listed here. Fine. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. So yeah, hope you like it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.